but never in my life did I own a lizard bag, and never in my life did I own a crocodile bag. So these are two firsts for me today. Look at this, guys. That's why I love London. Isn't it beautiful? We are going to collect something very special today because I couldn't stop thinking about it, and I hope it's still there, to be honest. Maybe I actually put the unboxing out first before this vlog because I want to surprise you guys. But oh, look at how beautiful London is. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're finally going to do my birthday haul for this year. I know it's a very belated birthday, but you know what was going on in September, so you know I'm super happy. I don't know if you've already seen my birthday shopping vlog with Hannah, so definitely go check it out and go subscribe to So Much Design with Hannah. She is the most generous person on earth. She actually got me a little Fendi present as well. We have a Bvlgari bag. You know, and we have something very, very special. Let's start with Bvlgari. You guys know I love working with Bvlgari. I had my second event with them recently, and I always have the best time when I meet you guys. We had so much fun that day, so we're definitely gonna do another subscriber meetup next year. I'm gonna link both videos in the description box below. My first meetup and my second meetup as well, and I can't wait to do another one next year. So this, guys, it's such a special piece. And do you know that, of course, you know, all the designer houses, they come out with new designs, new bag models all the time. And I feel like sometimes it's very important to go back to the roots and find something where, you know, your heart is on fire. It's not one of the new models. We've seen so many new beautiful Marika Transu bags as well, and we're gonna see more very soon. I have a very special event next week, so that's super exciting. But I wanted something that is the essence of Bvlgari, and I cannot believe that I got this bag. It's so hard to find this model. Always biggest shout out to Bvlgari. You guys know it's my favorite fashion house. Oh my god, okay, so are we ready? This is so incredible. Today, by the way, it's all about exotics. I have a lot of like Carum bags in my collection, and I always tell you guys it's the most durable exotic leather for the most reasonable price. Carum, so I love Carum, I always recommend it. And also I have a lot of python bags. With python you have to be a bit more careful because when it rains, you know, the scales lift easily, and python is, you know, one of the more delicate exotic leathers, but never in my life did I own a lizard bag, and never in my life did I own a crocodile bag. So these are two firsts for me today. So, okay, let's do this. So any guesses, please go into the comment section now before we reveal it. Tell me what you think I got. And I want to see if anybody actually guesses it. Oh my god. You know how I always say Bvlgari makes jewelry bags because they are a jewelry house. This is the essence of a jewelry bag. This is one of the first Serpentine models they ever designed. Okay guys, are you ready? Can we see something there already? Wow. This is again gold plated, 24 karat gold plated. Look at this color. Wow. Look at, okay, let me come closer. Isn't it incredible? This is so me. When I saw this color, I was like, oh my god. This is 24 karat gold plated snake, and that's what I mean. Look at this. Look at the craftsmanship. This is a jewel in itself, and the gemstones here is jade and amethysts. So I don't know if we can see it there. It says Bvlgari. And wow. And then imagine you have this little, you know, little clutch bag. So the way you open it is super cool. It's not like you don't have to move the head or anything. This little jade stone here, you press on it, and that's how it opens. Wow. Okay, so this is all the paperwork. More paperwork, because obviously you get sides. With it. If you ever want to travel with an exotic bag, you have to have your sides with you. Otherwise, the airport might confiscate the bag and destroy it. So always, if you have an exotic bag, carry your sides with it. We don't want to risk anything, right? So I still have the stickers on there. We need to take them off. But that's gold, obviously, as well. There's just the green stickers protecting the hardware. This gorgeous emerald, turquoise, green, blue color. Such a beautiful contrast. This is like the essence of their beautiful pieces. I show you modeling shots later on as well of all my bags. But you know, I just wanted to give you a little close-up first. And now... So, I don't know if you know this about me, I never really talked about it except for on Decop's live stream when we were in Berlin. I actually had a couple of MS bags in the past before I even started YouTube. And I had a Kelly, a box calf Kelly 32 in black and gold, and I had four Birkins 35. And if I have the pictures, I'm gonna put the pictures in here. It was a different life, it was a different lifestyle. I feel so much older now, having gone through everything that I've gone through. I had a different job at the time. It was a different life. It was a past life. Feels like forever. I had a couple MS bags, and maybe because they were too big anyway, I always thought if I would get one again, I would get a Birkin 30. Because I think that's rather my size. 25 is too small for me. I don't like the dimensions of it, and 35 is too big. My mom actually got one of my Birkin 35s now, and the rest I sold. I just never got butterflies from MS bags anymore, and they're beautifully made. We don't need to talk about that. Like, the quality is still one of the best, obviously, with all the quality decline that we're seeing. I don't get butterflies really when it comes to MS bags, and the whole like, oh, you have to play this game to get... Guys, I've been through so much now in my life where I don't take life too seriously anymore. I think we all shouldn't take it too seriously. We should not take ourselves too seriously either. And, you know, it's sometimes when you just take a step back and look at everything, sometimes it's a little bit silly, let's be honest, right? So I didn't plan on wanting to get an MS bag, you know, at all. And so I walked into Pandora the other day, and you know, Pandora is one of my favorite pre-loved shops in London, and they were so kind to give me a big discount because I just love them. They're the best. It's like Alice in Wonderland, and the vlog is still coming out of how I found this bag. It's still coming out next week. I was filming my little vlog, you know, not intending to get anything, and I spotted this incredible bag. And I was like, wait a moment. It's real, shiny, dark green emerald crocodile. Isn't she gorgeous? And it's super worn, but to be honest, guys, I really wanted to recreate this beat up Birkin, Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen style. And I want to hang like 1,000 bag charms on my bag and, you know, put my Labubus on it and like pearl chains, and we do that later. We dress it up later. But yeah, I found this bag and I was like, wait a moment, is that a Birkin? No, it's not a Birkin. This is a Kwanpen bag. And I don't know if you know about Kwanpen, their bags are incredibly expensive as well. They were founded in 1938. And they use real crocodile, real alligator skins. And the bags are super expensive, like 5k, 10k pounds. Some are even going up to like 25,000 pounds, so expensive. And I was like, oh, can I see this? And they were like, yeah, but it's not a Birkin, it's not an MS Birkin. I was like, oh, it doesn't matter, just let me have a look at it. And this, look at how shiny this crocodile is, and I love how beat up it already looks. Like, wow, right? And yes, the corners have a lot of wear. You could actually send your bag to Kwanpen. I think they're based in Singapore, and they would restore it for you. However, I mean, I want the beat up look, you know, and it's on the website it says it takes 9 to 10 months for you to get your bag back, and I just want to have fun with it now. And you know what? I thought, I actually left and I thought like, nah, I'm not gonna take it home with me, you know, it's not an MS bag, why would I get a similar looking, you know, but it's real crocodile. And I was like, I want a real shiny crocodile bag. I wanted it my entire life and I don't want to worry about it. If I get this as an MS bag, it's gonna be like, what, 50, 100k? And you would be, well, I would be super careful with it. I just want to throw this around, throw all my stuff inside, you know, I can show you actually the inside, it's gorgeous. Can we see that? The Kwanpen logo. So I just want to throw this around, have fun with it, carry a real crocodile bag like it's nothing, you know, and you don't have to be too careful. I mean, it's still a very expensive bag, obviously, but it's not like 50 or 100k, you know what I mean? I just couldn't be happier. The crocodile feels incredible. It's such a beautiful feeling. It's super old. It's from 1995. And I can't wait to travel with it. Obviously, you need your sights as well. But look at how stunning the crocodile skin is. It's so gorgeous. And you know what? I was like, yeah. I was talking to Jessie and Jacob and I was like, guys, I cannot forget about this beat up Birkin look-alike bag from Kwanpen. And they were like, yeah, you know what, get it, you know, beat up Birkin bag sounds good. So I just want to have fun with this. You know, life is too short, honestly, and you should just do whatever makes you happy. But can we just take a moment for the colors of this? I mean, you know, what more can a girl wish for? And of course, Hannah's present. If you have watched my latest vlog, you saw my reaction when I got it, and it's just incredible. I still cannot believe she got me this one. And I got all my birthday cards from my friends. It's super nice. I collect cards, like whenever I get a postcard sent from somewhere, or like people give me, you know, cards. I have like a wall where I put all my cards on. Hannah knows me too well as well. It's incredible what she picked for me. I was just like so like the happiest girl on earth. It's so me, this color. And I thought I have to show you this again because I got this for my birthday, obviously, as well. I wanted a card holder for so long, and I think Hannah must have, you know, overheard me saying that, and she got me a card holder, guys. So, wow, how incredible is this? Let me show you here first with the light. The sun is already setting. I hope you see enough, guys. But isn't this the most gorgeous pink color? We see this, and then, you know, with my ring, it's so stunning. Honestly, it's the most gorgeous color I could wish for. So I'm super happy. The biggest thank you again to you, Hannah. You know what it means that you've been through this entire year with me. And okay, now I would say let's do modeling shots and dress up my Croc Kwanpen bag. Okay, you guys, let's have some fun, because I put my little Labubu on my Bvlgari bag, and I think it's so adorable. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just love them so much. I really got the Labubu fever. I really got into the Labubu hype. Labubu delusional. So, oh, it makes me happy. So I feel like I want to put a lot of like back charms and other things onto this bag and really make it look like a Jane Birkin, you know. She always put 1,000 back charms on her Birkins. But I want to put like little pearls onto the bag as well. This is like a Chanel bracelet that my husband gave me. Okay, somehow I imagine something like this. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, you know, but have a little bit of gold and Chanel and pearls here. And for whatever reason, I love the soy milk one the most. The soy milk macaron Labubu. I have my Fendi back charm monster. I have my little, you know, heirloom. And I don't know, guys. I love it. I mean, let me know if I'm going crazy or anything, or if you think this is cute. I could totally see myself walking around with a beat up, you know, shiny croc bag from the 90s with all my back charms on it. I don't know why. It makes me super happy. I think this is the way. I honestly think this is the way. This is so cool. Gives me simultaneously Jane Birkin and Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen vibes. So, I don't know why, guys. I'm super happy. So, let me know, you know, what makes you happy recently. Because life is short, guys. And we should always just, you know, never take it too seriously. Let's be honest. Enjoy every moment of it. And if this makes us happy, oh well. This will be my everyday bag for a little bit, and I'm just gonna enjoy it with all my back charms. Yeah, I don't know why, guys. I think that looks cool. I was just thinking about how would I wear this bag, and I actually think, you know, I just put it basically the wrong way on my arm, then to my bag, and then, you know, I can have all my little bag charms dangling there and everybody can see them. Or, I don't know, maybe just don't mind my socks. It's winter, it's cold. Or just like this. Hello. Okay guys, if you enjoyed today's crazy video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye.